What's good, people? This is your program tutor, and it has been a very long time that I haven't posted any video. So after a long time, this is one of the first video. It's about creating a secure website using this Pantheon.io. You can see in front of, and this is a very useful platform to create a free website. The plans are also exciting, providing us with free SSL, Git-based dev test, and you can see all other stuff in their website. All are given, and it's very easy to make, and you can create your blog, your personal website through this account. So enough of the intro, let's get started. Now turning the get started notification will take you to a new page. Click on there, connect with Google. This a new page should load. Now choose an account through which you want to create an account. So the page is loading. So after loading, it should take you to the Pantheon dashboard. Here you have to give some more credentials of your the first name, last name, and the organization you're working with. But as I don't have any organization, so I will put some default name as we are creating a default account. So okay then, and the last question, it's I take a screenshot, and then if the last checkout says are you an agency, I'm clicking on no, then the page should load. But if you are in an agency, then you can create it. So next it takes us to the new tab, the main Pantheon dashboard. There are lots of stuffs you can do from here, and these are all our details. I'm giving you just an overview of it. Now if you go to sites, there you can see two options. If we click on this create new site, we can make our site from here. Just give a site name, and if we go to migrate existing site, then we can migrate our, if any existing site we have and we want to migrate it on this Pantheon.io, then we can easily use this one. And the Pantheon.io is totally free, and according to me it's much more safe and much easier to work with. Now click on this create new site. This should load. So I will give a name here, giving a name. So whatever name we are typing, this has been saved on the right side, the Pantheon development URL there on the right side, you can see. And in this, the region we want to keep as it is, so it's not no issue, no worries. And I'm taking a screenshot, and then click on continue. This should take to us to a new page. This should take some time to load. Let's wait. Now the page has been loaded. Now it telling us to choose some CMS. I am choosing WordPress here and clicking on deploy. And this should take some time to deploy the WordPress, some time needed. So our website has been deployed. Now click on this visit your Pantheon site dashboard, the blue button. So and this should take us to another dashboard. And we are mostly done with the website. So now what we need to do is to just get the WordPress installation. We just deployed the CMS. Now we need to just install the WordPress, the other things which we need. So these are all as default WordPress installation. Just clicking on the English and then continue, and then our site name, our username, all of the things which will be needed. And so after all of the things done, now we'll save all of this and just click on that install WordPress. So our WordPress has been installed. Now if we just log in, and now if we give all the details we need here, I am giving up the details which I have saved here in the text file. Now I click on the login button, and this should take us to our dashboard. So our WordPress installation is totally done. Now if you want to view the website, just copy that URL. You can see I've just copied it and pasted in a new tab. And then if we click on hit enter there, So our website has been done, you can see here, but you can see our connection is also secure. So the WordPress is, so our website is totally secure. But if you want to view this website, then it's very much, I want to say, I just deleted this website a couple of days ago. But if you follow this installation rule, then this all of things will be fine and you can see your website easily. So I hope you enjoyed, like this, and learned something new from this video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.